Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and I hope you had a heck of a holiday. So it's time for me to get back to work, and we're going to start things off with the first giveaway of the year. Or the last giveaway of the year. I guess it depends on how you want to look at that one. This is the bi-weekly Epic Games asset giveaway. Now, I did not get the assets hands-on for this one just because of the timing of the holidays, so I'm going to be using their particular trailers. And you can see one of the items in action right now. This is the Sci-fi corridor low poly environment, and yeah, they used the glitch filter way too many times in this video, but you get an idea of what this asset is all about. By the way, you do have 2 weeks to pick these up, so basically over the next 2 weeks, add them to cart, check out for free, and they are yours to keep forever. I will show you them in the store in just a second. This one is pretty straightforward. It is a low polygon environment for creating sci-fi type asset environments. And the next one we have is the Ancient Temple Ruins modular environment. Now, I do not know why their particular demonstration video here was recorded in 720p, so do not adjust your monitor. That is what we are dealing with. This is why I like to record the footage myself, but like I said, there was a bit of a holiday communication issue, so I don't have these in time to go live. So you're going to watch their demos instead. This one, again, is pretty straightforward. Project requires nanite and lumen, by the way, so it is high polygon counts, but if you need to create an ancient temple or ruin environment, that is what you've got here. Again, highly modular in nature. This one is for Unreal Engine only, although you can actually export these out to just about any other game engine you wish. There are a number of guides and videos down below for getting it from Unreal to Unity, Unreal to Godot, Unity to Godot, etc. So even if you are not using Unreal Engine, hoard these, buy them, add them to cart. You may use Unreal Engine in the future, or you may export these out and use them in another engine. So again, this is the Ancient Temple Ancient Temple Ruins modular environment. And then finally, we have the Sci-fi Mega Spiky. This is from Protofactor. This one is available for both Unreal Engine and Unity. So if you're a Unity user, you head on over to the Fab store. You can grab it there as a Unity asset package. You can import directly into your project. And as you can see here, this is there's two characters in this pack. It's 33,000 triangles. It is rigged with 74 bones. There are 30 animations involved in it. And there is no demo video here, so I'm showing you the, what is this thing? Sketchfab, the Sketchfab viewer demo version of it. So this is the Mega Spikeian character. Again, this one is for Unity and Unreal Engine. So a quick recap of this week's assets, or this next 2 weeks' assets. We have the Sci-fi corridor low poly environment. This one, you can decide when you come in between personal and pro, but since it's Epic Games that are picking up the tab, might as well just pick pro. This one just changes the price based off of how much money you made last year as a studio. No big deal. So this one is, again, 250 plus models, walls, floors, ceilings, and so on for creating sci-fi environments like what you see here. And then there are a variety of different color variations, which is, I think, why they use the glitch filter to transition between them so often in their particular video. But you get an idea here. If you're creating a space station type setup, this is a modular setup for creating those kind of environments. This one, once again, is Unreal Engine only, but this is the kind of asset that you could easily export it out to work in Godot. Check those guides out down below. Then we also have this fellow right here. This is the Ancient Temple Ruins modular environment. Again, pick the version you want, add it to cart. It is yours to keep forever. This one, once again, is Unreal Engine only, but you could export it out. You get an idea of what you're dealing here. Again, this is nanite, so it is super high resolution versions of everything you see here, but everything you need to create this kind of environment is included. And then finally, we have the Sci-fi Mega Spikin from Protofactor. Once again, this contains 2 different characters and 30 animations of them. So you can see the one character there. There is the other character in action as well. So if you need like a sci-fi I don't know, lizard monster thingy, the Sci-fi Mega Spikeian is there for you. And as you can see, it is both Unreal Engine and Unity formats. So that is this week's freebie giveaways. So you have until January the 13th to pick those up. So if you're interested in grabbing these, just add them to cart, check out. You don't need to download them or anything. Just make sure you've purchased them before January the 13th, 2026, and they are yours to keep forever. So what do you think of this month's giveaways? Once again, we have the Sci-fi Mega Spiky in, the Ancient Temple Ruins modular environment, and then we have the Sci-fi Corridor low poly environment as well. Let me know what you think, and welcome to the new year. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.